Davis joins us with some that she found for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, we did. Well, so if you're hosting Thanksgiving at your house, this weekend is probably the weekend you're going to go out and pick up your turkey. So we checked around for the best deals on a bird, and we found Kroger, H-E-B, and Brookshire Brothers are all offering free frozen turkeys up to 14 pounds with the purchase of a spiral sliced ham. So that's sort of the going deal every year. Walmart, though, has a frozen butterball turkey for 98 cents a pound. So a 16-pound bird will cost you $15.68.
Oh, yeah.
But Randall's can beat that. They have Honeysuckle White or Signature Farms frozen turkeys for 49 cents a pound. That would make a 16-pound turkey just $7.84. But to get that deal, you got to have a Randall's card. That's easy. Just sign up for the little card. And you have to spend $25 on other items at Randall's. So best deal on a turkey this year is at Randall's. And just in time for Thanksgiving, Kroger is expanding its grocery delivery service to 29 local stores. So for a flat fee of $11.95, you can order your groceries online and have them delivered to your home. The prices are the same in store as they are online, and on Thanksgiving they will be making deliveries up until 2 p.m. You have to reserve the delivery time, but they will deliver the same day you place your order. Facebook, Google, and Twitter want to make it easier for you to spot fake news. The social media giants plan to begin using what they're calling trust indicators on stories posted through their platforms. So you'll see symbols alongside stories that explain how a story was reported, by whom, and their credentials, so you know the source. The public can use them to see who and what is behind what they're reading. Well,